In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default view in Microsoft Excel. Adjusting the default view can make your workflow more comfortable, especially if you prefer a specific layout every time you open or create a workbook. Instead of manually switching views each time, you can configure Excel so it automatically opens with the view you use most often. Start by opening Microsoft Excel and loading any workbook. Once the spreadsheet appears on your screen, direct your attention to the top menu and click the View tab. This section contains several options that control how your worksheet is displayed. Inside the View tab, you will notice different workbook view options, such as Normal View, Page Break Preview, and Page Layout. Each of these views presents your worksheet in a different way. Normal View is the most commonly used layout and focuses on editing cells and working with data. Page Layout displays the worksheet as it would appear when printed, including margins and headers. Page Break Preview helps you manage how your worksheet is divided across printed pages. To change the view, simply click the option that matches how you prefer to work. For example, if you want to see exactly how your worksheet will look when printed, click Page Layout. Excel will instantly switch the display so you can view your spreadsheet in that format. If you want Excel to remember this view for a specific workbook, save the workbook after selecting your preferred layout. The next time you open that file, Excel will load the worksheet using the same view you selected. For users who frequently work with printed reports or formatted documents, the page layout view can make it easier to design worksheets that look organized and professional. On the other hand, if your focus is mainly data entry or calculations, Normal View is often the fastest and most efficient option. You can switch between these views at any time depending on the task you are performing. This flexibility allows you to review your spreadsheet from different perspectives without changing the actual data. By selecting the view that best matches your workflow and saving your workbook afterward, you can make Excel open exactly the way you prefer. Small adjustments like this can save time and make your daily spreadsheet work much smoother. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.